Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to make text vertical in Excel. So in Excel, when you enter text in a cell, the text appears horizontally by default, but you can make it vertical. You may want to do that for a couple of reasons. One is to make it easier to read the data, and secondly to make effective use of the space, especially if you have a lot of columns and data. So let's see how to make the text vertical in Excel. To do that, we use orientation under alignment. So under alignment section in the ribbon, you will find orientation, and we make use of that feature. So what I'll do is I'll just take these cells, I'll merge it in center. Now I'll enter stock price here. Now you see it appears horizontally. So in order to make it vertical, I'll select it. I'll go to orientation, and then I'll say rotate text up. So you see the text appears vertically. Now you can rotate it the other way also. For that, you just go there and say rotate text down, so it appears vertically but the other way around. Similarly, you can play around with other options. You have angle clockwise, angle counterclockwise. So if you choose that option, the text appears vertical but it is tilted. So this is how you make text vertical in Excel. Thanks for watching the video.